Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video we will be discussing about file operations, like how can we read content from one file and how can we write content into a file. Just basic operations, not going very deep into it. So to do that, now I am on in my command prompt window screen. So to go into that, just click Windows and R on the keyboard and your command prompt window screen will be displayed. So first let's type dir and check what are the folders that we have on our device. Like you can see, there are many folders that are there on my device. So to write our Python file we need to create a new folder. So to do that, now I am creating a new directory by writing md and giving my folder name as sample. So to check whether the folder is created or not, once again type dir and click on enter. So here, as you can see, the sample folder has been created. Now we need to create a file to write our Python. So to do that, now we are typing notepad and giving our file name like demo.py. So here .py extension must be used so that it indicates that our file contains Python code, and click on enter. Here it will ask whether to create a new file or not, as demo.py file does not exist on my device. Just click on yes. So guys, as you can see, our demo.py file has been created. Now we will write our Python codes in both write mode and read mode to get a better understanding. So to do that, I will define a file pointer f, and I would like to open a file or create a file like, for example, I would like to open theory.txt file. If it is not there in our device, it will be created. .txt extension must be used so that it would be in text format, and I would like to open this file in write mode so that I can write my content into that file. So for my understanding, I would like to display something on the screen so that I can get to know that our code is running properly and it is working. Here I would like to writing the file content. This is just for my understanding. And now here I would like to take input from the user and write it into another file. So here I would like to take the input as, I would like to take the username as input. Here I will write enter your name. So here, as you can see, the user will give input as his or her name and it will be stored in the variable s. Now I would like to write this name into the theory.txt file. So to do that, I will write the syntax as f.write, as we want to write the data, so we need to use f.write syntax, and here we will write our variable name. So after executing this program, this name of the user which is given and stored in this will be written in the theory.txt file. So to check it, let's save this program and let's try to run it. So to run our program, we need to first write Python and then our file name, which is demo.py, and click on enter. See, as you can see here, writing the file content, it means our code is working properly and it is displaying our print statement. Now it is asking enter your name. Now we need to give one name, like I will give Ramesh and enter. So here you cannot see what has happened. So to check what has happened, let's go into our file and let's search theory.txt. Here theory.txt file has been created, and here, as you can see, the input which we have given Ramesh is stored in this theory.txt file. So in this way you can write any content into a file. So now let's check how to read content into a file. So guys, here we have discussed how to write content into a file. Now let's see how to read content from file. Here, as I have already given the input as Ramesh and it has stored in theory.txt. Now let's take input from same theory.txt file and display it on the screen. So to do that, I would like to, first we need to close this file pointer by writing f.close, and then again I would like to open the same theory.txt file but this time I will open in read mode by giving R. Now here, for my understanding, again I would like to write the statement as reading the file content. So after writing the print statement, like here we will store the whatever content which is there in the theory.txt file into a variable s, and here we will write f dot read. That's it. Whatever is there in the file, theory.txt file, it will be stored in the variable s. Now we will just print the statement as name is, and here we will display the name. So to check our program, let's save this program and try to run it. So again, to run the program we need to write python and our file name, which is demo.py. So here writing the file content which is same as it is given in the previous case. Now here I will give the name as Ramesh again. So here, as you can see, reading the file content is displayed like which we have written while reading the content from one file, and here it has stored the name Ramesh in the variable s and name is displayed. Here, as you can see, while reading the file when we have used f.read function, this theory.txt from this theory.txt file, the Ramesh has been stored in the s variable and it has displayed in the output. So in this way we can perform read and write operations by using files. So I hope this video is very useful, and let's meet on our next video. Thank you.